Hi guys, today we are going to be talking about new sets that are coming out today. This is set 60455, 65 pieces, and it's a 4 plus. It'll be retailing for about £9. It's a pretty small set. Comes with ATM, motorbike, skateboard, backpack, crowbar, flashlight. You get it. So yeah, it's 4 plus set, so it's very small. I probably won't be buying this, but if you're looking for cool police sets, some small ones, big ones, doesn't matter. If you're collecting police sets, you might want this one. Since no, I don't know why the motorbike is bigger than the actual police officer. So it's the back. Oh yeah. Okay guys, on to the next set. This is set 60456, has 264 pieces. It's going to be retailing for about £25. Comes with police boat and small other boat, small criminal boat. This is a pretty cool set. Not too big of a boat, but it's a pretty cool set. Got that floaty thing carrying a gem. So it's pretty cool. You can actually put in water and it'll float. Inside you got some benches. I think the front where the gate is, you could see there. Whoops. See there. I think that's storage. Then these are benches. Inside you could drive the boat. Yeah, it does flow in water. I already said that. And it comes with also a shark, a little light at the front of their boat. Yeah, I think that's the cage for it. That's the cage for the prisoner. Right, I get it. Right, so yeah, pretty cool set. £25. It's a pretty cool set. Alright guys, this is set 60457. Comes with 489 pieces. It'll be retailing for about £45. And it's a custom police garage, so you could customize it like snowmobile car, flying car, also off-roading. Here you can see flying, snow, off-road, and then normal road car, normal police car. And it's the actual garage. Got some helmets there for it, and yeah, pretty cool. It shows the symbol for each of them. So it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool little set, to customize your police car if you're interested. If anybody's interested. It comes with obviously donuts, coffee, and work up. So pretty cool little set. Fun, might be fun to play with. If anybody's interested in buying this set. Okay guys, on to the next set. This is emergency ambulance set 60465. Comes with 403 pieces, £45. We retail for £45. Comes with doctor, pilot, someone skiing, and ambulance worker. And it's the interior, pretty cool. You got stretchers supposed to go there. Then there you got like TV, X-ray, and all that, heart monitor. Yeah. Then there got the cockpit. Yeah. Pilot. In the back, I think small storage. I think somewhere to sit. Yeah, I think you could sit there. I think pretty cool little set. Don't know if I will be buying this or not, so probably not. Yeah, I won't be buying this since no, not like it's a pretty cool set, but like I don't have like any like like snowy areas or like anywhere to put this, so like I don't think I'll have much room in my Lego city for it. So yeah, if I had like don't even have an airport, but like yeah, this one is pretty cool. Comes with wind, whatever those things are called. Supposed to show which way the winds are blowing, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, stretches there, small snowmobile there, and pretty cool. So yeah. Okay, guys, this is Lego set 60466. Comes with 682 pieces. Gonna be retailing for about £55. Really cool set. Comes with construction sign. The bulldozer's pretty big. Comes with 3 minifigures, some rubble, and yeah, you can extend this and lift it up. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm probably gonna be buying this since I have a construction site, like a small one, but like this would like fit it since I already have sorry for that, just a little problem there. I'm back. So yeah, I already have the excavator that came out on last year's summer. So yeah, that one, their set will match this one. So pretty cool little set. Let's watch the quick video. Pretty cool set. Comes with 3 minifigures. Yeah, I already told you. You can actually put like a minifigure on that. Oh, I didn't know that. You can actually like put like a minifigure on the platform right there. So it's pretty cool. And yeah, you can lift that up and down. Yeah. Your city no limits. So yeah, pretty cool. Alright guys. Okay guys, this is set 60467. Comes with 793 pieces. Will be retailing for about £75. And let's just talk about like the actual design of this is like really cool. So I'll definitely be buying this one. Comes with it's a heavy duty recovery truck with a crane. Comes with 10 wheels on the truck. 6 at the back, 4 at the front. Pretty cool. Comes with a small construction truck, flatbedded truck. Comes with boulders. Comes with 4 little cones. So it's pretty cool. You can lift. Oh wait, let me show you guys. You can lift this up. Like the driver's cab. Let me show you that here. And the controls are there. You can see you can extend these, rotate the crane arm. It's pretty cool. Lift this up. There's a small like medical kit there. Like pretty cool little details. So I'll definitely be buying this one. Really cool. And yeah, it also comes with like incident sign there. 4 cones. So, really cool set. And yeah, comes with 3 minifigures as well. Yeah, so it's a really cool set for my Lego city. So, Yeah, really cool. Really cool. Okay guys, this is set 60469, comes with 752 pieces. It will be retailing for about £80. It's a central train station, so it's pretty cool. You got cool, really cool roof design there. Got bus stop there, some on crutches. Got the train light sign. That's ticket area. That's traffic level. That's actually really cool. Got like staff only. Oh, that's an elevator up. Nice. Ticket machine as well. Comes with 6 minifigures, 2 pigeons. It's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So, yeah, pretty cool. The actual. This is the control area of the central train station. So, pretty cool. Pretty cool set. It's pretty big though, so I don't think this would fit for me, so like I won't be buying this. So, but pretty cool little set to play with. Could like if you put it against the wall, then like the tram goes into a tunnel. So tram or train, whatever it is. So pretty cool. There you got back shows there. Got elevator. Could rotate it with that right there. Yeah, little sitting area right there. Yeah, that's there. Painting. Pretty cool little set. Not little, big set. So pretty cool. It's pretty cool. This is set 60470. Comes with 1,517 pieces. It's a Arctic Explorers Polar Express train. So it's pretty cool. Retailing for £180. Comes with like a snowplow at the front. Little like station there, barrel, zip line, comes with a zip line there. Another small snowmobile. Got some rooms in there, I think. Small areas to look out. Storage areas. There's a storage area. This is remote controlled, guys, so you can pre-order this now. If you're interested in buying this, you can pre-order this now. So when it's out, it'll be sent to you. It'll be shipped to you. So yeah, it's a pretty cool little set. Got a small crane for that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Got the cliff there, zip line from there to there. Just like watch video. It's pretty cool though. I won't be buying this since, like, can play with this, but like I already have a couple of trains. So I think a bit much for me, so. And 180, it's not. Okay, guys. Right, guys, let's just talk about the price. Like, you could actually like buy you could literally buy a modular building with this. So for the boutique hotel I done a review, it was £150. It was on a sale. So, and this is £180. Now I've had like 1,800 more pieces. So 1,500, like, I don't know. I had like around 3,000 pieces. So, okay, guys, this is set 60471. Comes with 1,057 pieces. It'll be retailing for about £100. Comes with small snowmobile again. It's a very big. It's big. It's just like big. Like, how'd you even get on that ladder? Just okay. Just how'd you even get up there? Okay. Let's not talk about that right now. But pretty cool. 8+ set. You could put a snowmobile on the back. It's pretty cool. There's med kit, stretcher there, backboard. Wolves and a dog. Ooh, got bedroom there, toilet, kitchen there, dining room, then work area, then you could drive it there. Yeah, it's a big set. It's a pretty big set. I actually put it on rocks. That's crazy. Right. It's pretty cool. Snow on top of the tree. It's right there. It's pretty cool. It comes with, yeah, it's pretty cool set. Pretty cool set. I think it comes with like 5 minifigures. Yeah, it comes with 5 minifigures in total. So, yeah. Pretty cool. Got a massive light there. So, yeah. Pretty cool. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed, hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.